Hello, I'm Ilya, and today we are going to be making something called a custom sword. A sword that can shoot lightning bolts when you right click it. A sword that will kill the Ender Dragon with just one hit. A sword that will make your diamond hackers go with shame. Okay, let's start. If you watched Andy's installation videos in Modification 1, then you should know then that we should open that you've got Eclipse and Pinter. So you see we've got the Package Explorer over here. So let's go. But before we open them, I want to show you something. Please go to this little triangle all the way to here. Then go to Package Presentation. As you see, I've got now on the Ceylon version hierarchical. Also, I can change to flat, but that just makes the photo theater more complicated. So just so you know, I'm working on hierarchical. Also, in this video, if we have enough time, we can make a custom biome. Would you like that? I think you would. Okay, let's start. First, we put the plus next to this MDK example. Click. Then, this is RCS main Java and RCS main resources. Those are the two folders we will be using for this course and many others. But we are typing this in Java code. So, open the CRS main/Java. There you will see one more folder, my mod. Click that. And here, as you see, we've got all the courses they teach on CodeKit and Modification 1. Now we are actually making a custom sword, so open Virtual Sword. Then we go to Custom Sword, but we should close it straight away because first we need to go into main.java and common proxy.java. They're the things that we'll be using to register things and initialize them. I'm going to just scroll down a bit so you can see all of this code. Do you see? We can just ignore all of this because now we're in main.java. Ignore all of this and we can actually scroll to this. From this side there's a bit you can't see, but I can see this. Okay, let's continue. The only thing we should be working on now is here. Your mod name here. This is the name of your actual mod. So if you don't think that your mod name here is a cool name, then please do like I'm doing now. You just select it and delete it. And here you just type your name. Actually, I'm going to call it the cool mod. Oops, not like that. Cool mod. See? Now, as you see, we've got this little asterisk here, and that means we haven't saved. You can do that. I save by pressing the Ctrl key, Ctrl and S. Ctrl S. When you've done that, you should see that the asterisk has gone away. Okay, let's get to it. If you have selected a cool mod name, then please do what I'm doing. Go to the first line which says declare variables. We're going to explain what this does a little bit later. Just let's type out this. Public static custom sword my sword. Oops, got it a bit wrong there. I was holding cap locks. Sword. Hey, I'm telling you. Custom sword. My sword. Okay. I've got an error now on custom sword. But let's explain what this does. We are making a variable that's called my sword. And this sword, what is it? It's a custom sword. But the computer says, okay, it's a my sword. But what is a my sword? And I say, well, it's a custom sword. But the computer says, okay, but hey, wait a minute. What is a custom sword? This actually is one of the easiest errors to fix in this. And the only thing you have to do is hover over it and choose the first one, import custom sword, because we've actually got a file all the way up here in the virtual sword. You can see it now, custom sword, and we're just telling the computer, hey computer, go get that sword. Go get that file, and that's all you need to know. But the computer in main.java doesn't know. So let's hover over it and select import custom sword. If you see, our error should have gone away. Save one more time. Now go to initialize variables. Press tab to go here if you like, and now type out this. My sword, oops, mistake. My sword equals new custom sword. Then you press the Shift and press the 9 key. Oops, I accidentally press the asterisk and put a semicolon after the end. Okay, let's go. Now we have to go into the actual Forge Your Sword folder. Oops, something wrong with my mouse. I can't see my mouse. If you should see it, it's kind of blinking actually now. See that? It's a little uncomfortable because I can't see. But okay, I'll move the computer. This should help a little. Hey. Oh, okay, found it. Now let's go into customsword.java, and here you should see this. Ignore of this and just see super tool material.wood. So now if we registered our sword, it would be the same and play the game. It would have no texture, no name, and it would do the same damage as a wooden sword. And here was people saying, hey, I don't want a wooden sword, I want a super cool sword that can shoot lasers and kill the ender dragon and hit and stuff. And just said, okay. But we're actually going to make a custom tool material now. But for now, if you like, you can just delete to separate, press dot, and you can choose. And I'm going to choose diamond, so it's a bit better. It's still not as good enough as I want. Because in this video, I'm making a obsidian sword, which is even harder than diamond. I think diamond does 8, right? I think yeah. So I'm going to just use diamond instead. I'm going to make it do 10 instead of 8. 16 should be enough. Okay, then let's go. If you change the tool material if you like, and I'll wait. Okay, let's continue. Go to main.java and go to declare variables again. And write public static tool material my tool material. But if you don't want to write my tool materials, then just write TM for tool material. Get it? We've got. Oops, I think I deleted it, but look, if you delete something you don't want and can't save it, there's an easy way to fix it. Just close it, press no to save changes, then open main.java again, and it's like this because you forgot to save. Dump! Okay, let's go. Public static tool material TM. Save. Actually, we've got an error on tool material, but again, this is really easy to fix. Just let me find my mouse. Okay, I found my mouse. Now we just need to import tool material.